7:30 Friday morning and our road trip has begun. You ready for this?
Yes.
Yes, really good. Sturdy build.
Oh my gosh, Lauren, it's the Ghostbusters car?
Up on Melancholy Hill, there's a plastic tree. Are you here with me? Just looking out on the day of another dream.
This is a cool stop in Nashville, Tennessee. It's the Lane Motor Museum. There's tons of cool cars here.
So let's set out to see. 'Cause you are my medicine when you're close to me. When you're close to me. The call and the submarines round the world will go. Does anybody know?
Where are we right now?
I don't know.
We're in Kentucky right now.
No,
we're in
Tennessee.
Tennessee.
I'm like, I don't know.
We're going to Kimball, Tennessee. It's kind of close to Chattanooga.
Kimball.
If we're looking out on the day of another dream.
Oops.
If you can't get what you want, then come with me.
Well, guys, we finally made it. That was one hell of a trip. My grandparents are showing my girlfriend around the house right now. Trailer.
Just looking out for the day when you're close to me. When you're close to me.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm the shuffleboard, baby.
Well, guys, we're just waking up. It is our last day here in Florida. We're going to be leaving in a couple hours. Grandparents made us a beautiful breakfast here. Lauren, did you enjoy your stay down in Florida?
Yes.
I know I had a really good time down here. Shout out to my grandparents for letting us stay and providing entertainment.
No.
Hello. I just got to let you know.
So we spent about 4 hours on the road. We're at our first gas stop here, and I noticed that our coolant overflow tank has overflowed. So, which means we're getting air in the cooling system, and the excess coolant is filling up the overflow tank, and then that is spilling over. So here we are, bleeding the coolant again. Kind of sucks, adds a little bit of time coming home, but it's what we got to do. All right, we survived our first day on the road. We made it to Chattanooga, Tennessee. Guys, we're on the side of the highway out here in Tennessee. Temperature gauge spiked and looks like one of our hoses burst. You can see right there. That little burst. It's kind of right near the neck. So to get us by, what I'll do is I will cut this hose right before the little opening. Luckily, Lauren had her pocket knife, so that works out pretty slick. I'll cut this hose and then reattach it here and here. That should get us at least to the next auto parts store. Well, we made it to O'Reilly's. I got a new hose section there. It wasn't perfect. I had to cut it to length and it's for a different vehicle, but it will get us by. Topped it off with some just universal antifreeze since they didn't have the blue Asian antifreeze that I like to put in there. And so far we're looking pretty good. We got no more bubbles. I think we're ready to get back on the road. Good morning. It is our last day of vacation. Yes, we made it to our hotel last night in Coralville, Iowa. We only have about 4.5 hours on the road now, so I think we're gonna make it home. All right, we finally made it home.